Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. Today in this video we have one very interesting and challenging question from radical mathematics. Here we are going to evaluate fourth root of 80 plus 48 times cube root of 2 minus square root 21 minus 40 over root 5. So let's get it started by considering expression equal to e first. Now I will consider this innermost square root as x. Let us calculate x separately. So x will become square root of 21 minus 40 divided by root 5. Now I will rationalize our denominator. So I need to multiply here with root 5. So in the numerator also. Now I can write square root 21 minus 40 root 5 over 5. So 40 over 5 is 8. So we can write 21 minus 8 is square root 5. Now I will split 21 as 16 plus 5 and then minus 8 root 5. Now can we write 16 as 4 square, 5 as root 5 square, and minus 8 root 5 we can write 2 times 4 times root 5. Now this is a square plus b square minus 2ab formula. So we can write it is a minus b whole square. So x will become square root 4 minus root 5 whole square. Now we can cancel square root with a square. So x will become 4 minus square root 5. So this value we will apply here. Let's apply. So I will write e equal to fourth root of 80 plus 48 times cube root 2 minus, now we will write 4 minus root 5. This was our value of x. So further I can write fourth root of 80 plus 48 cube root of 2 minus 4 plus root 5. So I can write further fourth root of 80 plus 48 cube root of root 5 minus 2. Now we have to calculate cube root of square root 5 minus 2. So let me consider this is equal to y. So I can write y is equal to cube root of square root 5 minus 2, or y cube equal to square root 5 minus 2. Let us multiply this equation both sides by 8. So I can write equation will become 8y cube equal to 8 square root 5 minus 16. Let us write here 8 square root 5 minus 16. This will become equal to 8y cube. So can we write 2y whole cube? Now I will split 8 root 5 as 5 root 5 plus 3 root 5. Minus 16 can be written as minus 15 minus 1. Let's rearrange these numbers. So 5 root 5 minus 1 minus 15, and then we can write fourth number 3 root 5. Now this is root 5 whole cube minus this is 1 cube minus 3 times root 5 square times 1 3a square b plus 3a times b square. Let me write that formula. A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This is nothing but a minus b whole cube. So we can write 2y whole cube. This will be equal to square root 5 minus 1 whole cube. Consider cube root both sides. 2y will become square root 5 minus 1. So y is finally square root 5 minus 1 over 2. Let's apply this value to our expression e. So I can write our expression will become e equal to 4th root of 80 plus 48 times. I will write square root 5 minus 1 over 2. This is the value of y cube. So I can write here expression e equal to 4th root of 80 plus 24 times root 5 minus 1. Let us simplify. 4th root of 80 plus 24 root 5 minus 24. 80 minus 24 is 56. 4th root of 56 plus 24 is square root 5. Now I will split 56 as 36 plus 20. So I can write 36 plus 20 plus 24 root 5. Now 36 can be written as 6 square. 20 can be written as 2 square root 5 whole square. And 24 root 5 we can write 2 times 6 times 2 root 5. So this is one formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this will give us 4th root of a plus b whole square. So 6 plus 2 root 5 whole square. Let me write here. Expression e equal to 4th root of 6 plus 2 square root 5 whole square. Now 4th root and square will be over. It will be left only square root. So 6 plus 2 square root 5. Now again we can split 6 as 5 plus 1 plus 2 square root 5. Now 5 can be written as root 5 whole square. 1 can be written as 1 whole square. And 2 root 5 will be 2 times root 5 times 1. So I am matching with the formula a square plus b square plus 2ab. So in this place we can write a plus b whole square. So expression e will become square root of root 5 plus 1 whole square. Now we can cancel square root with square. So I can write e equal to square root of square root 5 plus 1 whole square. Now cancel square with square root our answer will be there, root 5 plus 1. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.